What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on TNXP stock. First of all, brief summary about this company. Tonix Pharmaceuticals Holding Corp is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company. It focuses on discovering and developing small molecules and biologics to treat psychiatric, pain and addiction conditions, to improve biodefense through potential medical countermeasures, to treat transplant rejection, and to treat gastric and pancreatic cancers. And its total market cap for now is $573.33 million. And here's their website. As you can see, they have two pipelines. First of all is about CNS. It is a CNS portfolio, and second one is immunology and biodefense portfolio. It's very good for the company that they diversify their pipelines. So in first pipeline they have several products, and their lead program is on mid phase 3. It has an ongoing status, and here we have another pipeline in immunology and biodefense, and their COVID-19 vaccine is on preclinical status. So I think it is a good for company to have several different products. And in my previous video I took a sneak peek of their financials. They have enough money to operate during at least this year. So here is some information about institutional investors, and the latest date is February the 16th, and as you can see we have several sell-offs. And let me show you how big was the stake of these companies, how much shares they sell. So it is a CLS, Citadel, to Sigma and Millennium. Let me show you. Okay, Millennium has about 80,000 shares, Two Sigma has about 19,000 shares, Citadel has around 79,000 shares, and they at that moment, on November the 16th, they sold more than 80% of their stock. So it's not a big deal for now, it's not a big sell-off, as you can see, but you have to be cautious all the time, and you have to do your own due diligence on each and every company. Here we have an insider trading chart and the insider owners of this company, and as you can see they have recent buys of the shares, and it is of course it is a good sign. Lederman Seth purchased their shares. He purchased 35,000 shares. It was on the end of December, and I think it is a good sign that insiders, they don't sell their stocks. And before we dive deep into the technical analysis, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case you won't miss my next video. So we are on a daily time frame, and here was my main count. Let me switch to 4-hour chart, and all I have to do, all I have to fix in this breakdown, it is just put the fourth wave in here and fifth wave in here. Wait a second, fifth wave here. So basically I was right with my Elliott wave breakdown. And let me show you one more thing. So here we have the third wave, and as you can see, retracement of this wave is hit exactly golden pocket. And let me show you two entry points that I've mentioned in my previous video. By the way, as I've already mentioned, all the links you will find in the description below. Here was my first entry point, and it was a triangle formation, and usually it breaks to the upside with the conviction of volume. And here was my entry point right around $1. And for now, from this point, me and some of you up for 68%. And on top of this trade, we've had around 118% of potential profits. So, and here was around 0.5 level in my last video. I suggest you to invest in this company and accumulate your buys. So accumulation means that you can ladder your buys down, but nevertheless, even from 0.5 region, from $1.26, you already up of 32%, and your maximum profit might be around 70%. Let me show you two more resistances. Here was the first resistance, and as you can see, we hover around this resistance a couple of times. We poke through and pull back. And here was my first target. It was a resistance from the previous one of the previous peaks, as you can see. And here we hit this target, then we have a pullback, and then hit it again, and now we are hovering right around our previous resistance that becomes a support. So as you can see, we poke through, then pull back, and we hover right above this level, 1.61. And for now we hit this level and bounce back. And let me show you Fibonacci retracement tool. I don't need this one. And here is the levels. So we are in the middle of 0.236 and 0.382 level, and it is very bullish retracement if we can go from this point to the upside, and basically it's very unlikely to do so, but we have the chance. So if you want to invest in this company, just do your own due diligence, and I will show you my next entry points. So right around, basically, if you want to invest, it is a good point to invest with a fraction of your money here, just on opening hours. Then next will be at 0.382 region, and one of two most probable zones 0.5, and the second one is 0.618. For now, I don't think we will hit this level. Even this is less probable. I think these two levels might be the most impactful for the trend changing, for the trend reversal. Next target, as I already mentioned in my previous video, should be around $5 mark, and it is basically it is roughly long-term target, but nevertheless we have to take one step at a time, and if you want to invest, just accumulate through these levels. With that being said, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you guys next time. Bye.